Right, legends, I'm going to do a quick fire price update for the price of Bitcoin. I'm going to get into those 3-minute, 4-minute videos. Watch the whole thing. I'm here. So, guys, Bitcoin came up into resistance in my prior stream. As you well know, I said that it's very likely, guys, that there's going to be a short opportunity from this resistance zone. Extremely fast move to the upside. I said there's a very good chance we're going to get a move back down, guys, for the higher low. I will actually play something to you right now, guys, from the previous stream if you missed it. And then I would say as long as we're above here, it's continuation. I actually do think on the very micro term, it comes lower back into here. I don't think it goes like that now. I think we'll find resistance on this. That's a very, very aggressive move. If you go on the hourly and you look at the momentum indicators, you're like, okay, well, how many times are you going to get that blasted out of the bands? This is hyper high. I think on the micro term, this is a short. You know, I don't think it might come up like this again, but I think probably we come in like that. And then we're looking for, are we going to hold this level? I think it's probably something like this, legends, just to completely put it out there. And then we continue. As you see from that video, guys, you can't get much better than that. And I do have, obviously, the short to prove it. In my VIP group, guys, you know I always put in my positions. I said if you're in my VIP group, you would know that I'm hedging short. And I'm about to upload, actually, onto MDX Algo on the Trading Bot section. We're about to upload a whole trading strategy that I've been using with written form, how to use it, how to get access to it. I'll put a link in the description, guys. It's a combination of my Trading Bot strategy with a hedging proponent to it. So I'll post that in the description. It's a link you can go on. You can read about one of my profitable trading strategies. I'm giving it out to everybody because I'm sick and tired of seeing these fucking crypto influencers all over my Twitter destroying the space. This guy here, I won't even go into it, guys. Just go on my Twitter and look at what I've been posting. It's just, at this point, these guys are unsavable. I'm trying to do my best to help people in the crypto community. I've made my money. Now I've got to give back in a certain way because I can't see this fucking shit happening on crypto, in the crypto influencer space. Anyway, so that's what I think about that. Anyway, so what I think is going to happen next. We do have a trend coming along here, guys. There is a trend line you can draw. It's not perfect, but generally speaking, the market is still creating higher lows across this. That's indicative of strength. There are other strategies I look at. These are the MDX indicators, guys. You can see here that there might be some zones we can get some longs in. There was a nice juicy long there. This is for that higher low scenario I was talking about. And I do think that resistance zones on the lower time frames for where we are now and a little bit higher, that would be, in my book, guys, if we get above this level here now, up like that, and we retest the high again, this would be the scenario for me to say, yes, actually, I actually posted a chart in my VIP group earlier, which was an ascending formation with a break and then a dump at 42K, a nuke at 42K, actually. But again, guys, look, this is short-term analysis. I'm just doing a quick fire price update. Above this level here, you know, and you get a retest of it, you're looking potentially to come see the highs again. If we keep battering the highs again and again and again, we know with increasing higher lows coming into this, it's just indicative of pressure to the buy side. The buyers are prepared to buy the price higher and higher and higher, and we know that that resistance zone up here will get exhausted eventually in the order book, so that'll be a continuation play. I actually do think, guys, my hunch is this. We do continue, we break this high eventually, and then we get a jet off to like 42 or 48K, and then we get a giga nuke, maybe even all the way back down to 30K, not in one candle, but eventually back to 30K for 48 and then back. If the shorts start piling in, I won't jump the gun, but if we get a big amount of shorts coming in, I'll put something on the screen now. If you go on mdxalgo.com/dashboard, you can see here the long to short ratio. Obviously, I use it. I don't know why I was putting it on the screen. I can look at my own goddamn metrics. So at the moment, guys, we're at 41% short. I would like to see that higher for us to get to 48K. If this goes to 60% short, I think it's a good chance we go to 48. If we linger around here, it's probably 42 at max. Then we come back down. And the dealers, guys, we know that the commitment to traders are short as well. But let me give you my hunch, guys. I do think this will be continuation. There is a caveat to that, and we always have to have invalidations because, and also just to mention one other thing as well, the MDX Trading Bot is live, and that's long at the moment as well. Actually, guys, people have been killing the MDX Trading Bot right now. This has only been live on Bingx for 2 weeks. On Bybit, yes, on Bybit, we've been live for more than a year now. And actually, guys, the profit people are making at the moment with the MDX Trading Bot is pretty phenomenal. People making thousands of dollars, having it in for 100 days or less. You know, this is actually making money when most people are just getting wrecked in bear market cycles. This actually makes money on the way down as well. And this is going to get crazy in the bull markets. I will keep monitoring this, guys, for you. But the MDX Trading Bot, guys, you can get it on Bingx and you can get it on Bybit. But what we'd recommend doing is using Bingx, because there's no KYC. All you need to do is use my specific referral link in the description. That actually gives you access, because it's a private link now. We've made it private. That means we can monitor the users. We can limit the users if we don't want them, increasing the profitability for people who are long-term, because otherwise you get people coming in with size, messing it up, slippage, etc. We've made it now much more tailored. So yeah, check out Bingx, guys. Why is there a fly in here? What the frick is going on? Cyprus at this time of year. But yeah, check out Bingx, guys. The link is in the description. Get an account. You do need to use my link to get access. That's the same for Bybit as well. You can use it on both, but you know, this is it's a medium to long-term trading bot. It's great to see people making money so quickly. Actually, this guy had $1.5 thousand profit. He's already taken out $1,000. So it's really, really good to see, guys, people making money. I'm waffling on. It's supposed to be a quick fire price update. Yo. But I've got lots of products, guys. I've got my DEX as well. We're doing $10 million volume a day on my DEX. Alpha.exchange. Links upon links. Go to the description box below and just look at my products, guys, because we've got some really cool stuff. And the fucking, God, the MDX Trading, our VIP network at the moment, our VIP traders group's got like 15 to 20 professional traders in it. It's ridiculous. Anyway, MDX Algo, check out my exchange and also check out my trading bot on Bingx, okay? The link's below. So invalidation, guys, we always have to have invalidation for these things. The invalidation level for me, guys, is 35,300 in here. You can actually see auto charting tools. This is another product. Again, I'm just going to say it, but this actually charts for you. It's called MDX Trendmaster Auto Charting Tools. And this is actually spelling out here an area of support. For me, what was resistance turned to support. When we came up into this move, we actually found this area as resistance first. Multiple times we found it again. It's a key SR level. For me, the top side of this range is the most important part. I do think if we break it, we're going fast down quite quickly. And I actually do think it will probably be a sell, a short sell into that as prior support resistance SR flip, and then a continuation down. Okay, so that's really is my key level, guys, in the sand is 35,300. If we lose this decisively on a daily closure, I do think actually what this will be is probably a break back up into it, and I do think it's going to be a quick flush to 32, between 31 and 32,000, because between here and you guys know what's coming down next. Between here and here, there isn't much, so we're probably coming down to next support quite rapidly, actually. But that is my bearish scenario. I would say that my hunch is that we continue because there's nothing on this chart. Whatever you hear on crypto Twitter legends, whatever they're talking to you and they're saying, oh, it's bearish, it's bullshit. There's nothing bearish on the short term right now. We have no break of structure. We're still consistently making higher highs and higher lows. The market, the buyers are in control. So whatever they might say to you guys, they're talking bullshit out their ass because there's nothing any professional would tell you you're long until proven otherwise. We have to wait for a systemic break of structure or behavior or change of behavior, and that is, for me, the line in the sand, 35,300. And that's in here, guys. And if we lose that, I do think we go considerably lower, probably down to $32,000 quite quickly, actually. Probably linger around there. I won't go into the medium term, long term. You guys already know my analysis. You know what I think. Long term, we're going up. Medium term, 48K probably, and then back to 30 at some point. And then we just continue into the halving and etc., etc., etc. Guys, check out my trading bot on Bingx. The link is in the description. You got to check it out. Really amazing to see this kind of gains this quickly. Also, legends, go to, well, you can go to the Bybit one as well, but go to mdxalgo.com. I will put a link to the trading bot section in the description, and you can actually read about one of my new, well, it's not new, it's actually a strategy I've been using for many, many years, but I'm releasing, it's a new release to the community. So you guys can actually look at one of my strategies that I've been using for many years, which has actually been very, very good to me. It allowed me to, create phenomenal wealth just by using these simple steps, and I'm going to put a link below for that on this video. But guys, I'll see you on the flippers. Hit the like button, comment below as well. I'll do a giveaway quickly if you're still watching. If you're still watching, you're a legend. You know what's going on. If you're still watching this now, you know what's going off. You're a G out there. If you comment below, you'll have a chance to win MDX Algo and $100. Okay, so comment something below, something funny. If it's a good one, I will send you some cash. All right, see you on the flippers, legends.